Hi, this is Bill for Sparky Channel, and today I'd like to introduce you to the brand new DeWalt Atomic 20 volt max 5/8 inch brushless cordless SDS Plus rotary hammer. The amazing thing about it is that it's only 3.91 pounds without the battery, and it's only about 10.5 inches long, but it can deliver up to 4,980 blows per minute, 1,060 RPM, and it has an impact energy of 1.4 joules. So it packs a big punch in a small size. A SDS Plus bit looks like this, and it has a 10 millimeter shank. The handle loosens up from the drill by turning the handle counterclockwise. Then set the handle where you would like it. Before you tighten the handle back up, you can set your depth rod to help you stop exactly where you want when you're drilling. When you tighten the handle back up, the depth rod is secured in place. This switch is your forward and backward switch, and this switch switches between hammer drill and regular drilling. The drill comes with a utility hook, a work light, and a shock absorbing area. Now let's try drilling a 3/4 inch deep by 1/2 inch hole. And here we go. We're going to be hitting the depth rod. There it is. Okay, now let's say you would like to go another 1/4 inch. Let's make it a full inch deep. Just loosen up the handle. Move your depth rod 1/4 inch. And then tighten her back up. Okay, so here we go. Let's go another 1/4 inch deep. There, we hit the depth rod. We got it. Very handy little drill. This is a really good one for electricians because it's good for hanging strut on masonry walls. The price on this little gem is going to vary around town a little bit, but it averages out about $320 for the drill, two 2-amp batteries, and a nice carrying case. I'll put links in my video description for this DeWalt SDS Plus hammer drill kit, and I'll put a link for the optional vacuum equipment that goes with it. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.